Hey everyone, welcome back to the series of Python tutorial. Today in this video we will see about the operators in Python. So operators are the construct defined within the programming language which generally behaves like a function. In simpler way we can say operators are used to minimize our programming skills to get the optimum result. Now there are different types of operator in Python such as arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, identity operator, logical operator and membership operator. Now talking one by seeing the example we will understand what is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators, as the name suggests, something like calculation. Now you have done various calculation like multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, etc. Now seeing one by one we will use the arithmetic operator. Now we can see 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Similarly 1 into 2 or 2 into 3 equals to 6. 3 minus 2 equals to 1 and 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Now there are four basic arithmetic operators that we have seen. There are two more operators in arithmetic. So we can see, suppose when you have done division in your lower classes, so you want the remainder. What is the remainder if we divide 5 by 2? So for getting a remainder we will use modulus operators. Suppose 5 divided by 2 equals to 2.5. Now if you want the uh, remainder, so you can use modulus operator like 5 modulus 2. It will give the output 1. Similarly there is one more operator called exponential operator. Suppose you want the power of any number, you can use exponential operator. Like if you want the power of 3 into 3 to the power 2, you can see it's 6. Sorry, it's a multiplication operator. For exponential operator you have to use double multiplication sign. As we can see, it's give the output 9. Now we will know about the comparison or the relational operator. In relational operator we compares the two different value whether it is true or false. So by seeing the example, if we type 2 less than 3, so if it is correct, the compiler will get the output called true. If suppose if we check 3 less than 2, it will give false. Now this is a less than. Similarly we can use 2 greater than 1. Now there are more comparison operators like if you want to check 2 equals to 2. Suppose there are two different variables. Now taking the example called a equals to 2 and b equals to 2. Now we have to check whether 2 equals to b or not. We will use equals to operator. It will give the output called true. If we check, if we change the value b equals to 3, now the compiler will give the output false. So there is one more operator which is not equals to operator. If we use this operator, it will give the output called true. It will check a does not equals to b, then the output is true. Now talking about the assignment operator in Python. Suppose you want to assign a value to a variable like a equals to 2. We have used assignment operator called equals to. Here we can see a equals to 2. If we type a, the a is assigned the value 2. Now there are different assignment operators like if we want to add any other value to a, so we can use a plus equals to 3. It will sum the previous value with 3. So now a is 5. Similarly you can use a multiply equals to 4, it will multiply the previous value with a. As we can see, it gives the output equal 20. You can do similar with multiplication, addition, subtraction, or exponential or modulus. Now moving towards the another operator called logical operator. Logical operator likes a boolean says or, not, or and. So if there are two statements a equals to 1 and b equals to 2, we have assigned two different variables. Now if we check two different operations like 1 less than 2, now you can see this statement is true. Now we will type one more statement which is 5 less than 6. As we can see, both the statement are true. Suppose if there is one statement is false like 5 greater than 6, so you can see one is correct, one is false. If we use all operator in between the both, it will give the output true. But if we do same with AND operator, which means both the statement needs to be true, 5 less than 6, it will give the output false. So now one more, if both the statement are true, 5 less than 6, and if we have used AND operator here, it will give the output true. So in this case we have seen if there are two statements and one is correct, so if we use all operator the output will true. But in AND operator we need to have both the two statements true. Now talking about the membership operator in Python, as the name suggests, membership means something inside a value. By seeing example, if we type a letter A, if we use in operator, in is a membership operator which indicates something inside a value. If we check A inside a value called hello Ram, so we can see A is inside this value, it will give true. But if we check B inside the same value, it will give false because there is no B inside this word. Same, there is not in operator, like if we use this same command and we will put here not in, not in membership operators simplifies that something is not in the another word. If we check B not in Ram, it will give the output true. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.